Pressure bottle that feeds 430 pounds pressure to the rocket tanks. In the rocket is the pressure bottle and a dome valve assembly. This electrical plug is on the bottom of the rocket for the emergency nitric acid drain valve assembly. We are showing what it looks like from the top of the gantry looking down to the base of the launch rail. This line is where we disconnect our 430-pound pressure line from the rocket. Paul is pouring measured water into the alcohol tanks to make sure the right amount goes into the tank. Donnie is now fueling the nitric tank with water before our water flow testing. Ron is now capping the nitric tank with a pressure gauge to check the tank pressure during the test.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Perfect. This is the testing of our pyrotechnic valve for draining the nitric acid tank in case of an emergency during a launch.